guys, how's it going? It's David. Real quick, I just want to remind you, we have stickers in. You can feel free to order these by either DMing me on my Instagram or by sending me an email at this link right here. Thank you all and have a great day. Okay, today we're going to take a torch down to the Prelude, see if we can't burn the bearings out of the bottom of this subframe. If we can get the rubber soft enough to pull those bolts out, we should be good to go. Get some munchies, get some gas. Oh, it's way too cold. I don't know if I even want to be here right now. It's too cold to be at the shop. We're gonna hang out at Chris's. Mess around, talk about stuff. I don't know. We might continue this video on Saturday. Hey, what's good, my dude?
How much, man?
Cool. What are you working on?
Pulling the brakes on so we can replace them.
Cool. You gotta do all 4 brakes today, right?
Yep.
Brake pads and calipers and everything?
Yep.
Cool, man. I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm gonna join you.
Alright.
Hopefully today's the date. Subframe on the Prelude comes out. Right now we're just gonna try and work on getting these bolts freed and out as fast as we can. If not, when Dad gets down here, we have a blowtorch to try and heat up these bearings and try and get them to let go of the bolts. Alright, nothing's happening. So let's get crazy. One down, 3 to go. Yeah, what a real piece of crap. How things going over here? This better?
I got the first corner done.
Cool. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna go ahead and move the engine. Guy will be down to pick it up in a bit. Also, with it out of the way, we get the jack stands from the Volvo and put those under the Saab so Chris has more time to get his stuff done. Alright. I'm ready for pickup as soon as he gets here. Alright. That's sitting nice and peachy right there. Alright. It's been about an hour. We're no closer than we were an hour before. Chris just stripped the bolt on his Saab. He's stuck too. And Dad still hasn't shown up. Oof. I hate this bolt. I hate all these bolts. Okay. Okay. Chris is about halfway done. He's got his rears mostly pulled apart. It's just him getting stuff done slowly. But I'm not getting anything done, so He's winning. This has been a really slow day. I sure hope that guy shows up soon to get my engine. Well, there we go. I just wrap up the brakes and I'm out of here. Last wheel, right? We're done?
Yeah, working on it.
Boy, it only took you about 4 hours, right?
Yep.
Always longer than it should. Alright, just gotta bleed the brakes and get out of here. We're done. I'm so ready. Ready?
Finally.
Okay, do it. Alright, well it's getting dark, it's getting late. Use your imagination, we bled the brakes. So, thanks for watching, we'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. I said that twice, didn't I?